to my channel Tech Travel. If you are a travel agent, then we are your friend helping you with a better technical solution. In the last video, we discussed about the features of an accounting software and all the specs related to domestic and international air ticketing. I hope you all have watched the video. If not, then please watch the video. The link will be given in the description below. In today's video, we'll discuss all the aspects related to hotel booking and how to create invoices and do billing of hotel booking in an accounting software. In this video, we will cover hotel voucher, hotel billing, which includes hotel charges and GST, commission and TDS, cancellation of hotel billing, maintaining sales, purchase and respective return registers, impact in GST report. If Mr. A wants to stay in X hotel in Lucknow and he has booked the hotel through a travel agent, then firstly, the travel agent will provide a hotel voucher to Mr. A, which will have all the details related to the stay and confirmation number mentioned on it. At the time of check-in, Mr. A will show the hotel voucher at the hotel. So, a software should have a functionality to create a hotel voucher. For creating a hotel voucher, first of all, we should be able to enter the details of supplier and the client in the software. As we discussed in the previous video, when we will create a hotel voucher in the software, we should be able to enter the guest details, hotel details, room details, confirmation number, check-in and check-out dates and inclusions if any.
I am creating a hotel voucher over here. I have entered all the stay details with confirmation number and now clicked on the save button.
After we create a hotel voucher, we will have to create a hotel billing which will contain all the guest details, hotel details, room details, confirmation number, check-in and check-out date and hotel amount details such as gross bill amount, GST, taxable value, commission, TDS and net amount. A software should have a functionality to create a hotel billing. Also, all the details which have been recorded in the hotel voucher of that party should automatically get recorded in the hotel billing, or it should reflect under the section pending hotel billing.
Here I am creating a hotel bill which contains all the guest details, hotel details, room details, confirmation number, check-in and check-out date, inclusions, hotel amount details such as gross bill amount, GST, taxable value, commission, TDS, net amount.
A travel agent can provide hotel booking services to its client in two ways. Case 1, the hotel directly bills to the client and the travel agent charges only for the service provided by him from the client and gets commission from hotel. The GST in this case will be charged on 18% of the fee charged from the client.
This window shows the taxable value and CGST and SGST when we have chosen the option on fee 18%.
Case 2, hotel services are hired by the travel agent and hotel bills to the travel agent, and travel agent provides the complete bill amount to its client. In this case, a travel agent has two options for charging GST. Option 1, charge 5% GST with no input credit on total amount. In this case, travel agent will not get input tax credit paid on the supplier's bill.
This window shows the taxable value and CGST and SGST when we have chosen the option no ITC 5%.
Option 2, charge 18% of GST on the total amount. In this case, a travel agent will get input tax credit paid on the supplier's bill, but the client will have to pay more GST.
This window shows the taxable value and CGST and SGST when we have chosen an option 18% on total bill amount.
Place of supply: when an agent gets commission from the hotel, be the location of the hotel when the hotel is situated in India, and B, the location of the agent when the hotel is situated out of India. The place of supply when an agent provides hotel services, getting his service charge. B, the location of the client when the client is registered and situated in India. B, the location of the client when the client is located in India and he is registered. And if he is not registered, then it is the location of a travel agent. B, the location where the services are actually provided when the client is located out of India. Example of place of supply for hotel booking in the case of an agent, when an agent gets commission from the hotel. If the location of agent is Maharashtra and location of the hotel is also Maharashtra, then the place of supply will be Maharashtra and the GST will be charged at CGST and SGST. If the location of an agent is Maharashtra, location of hotel is Delhi, then the place of supply will be Delhi and the GST will be charged as IGST. If the location of agent is Maharashtra and the location of hotel is USA, then the place of supply will be Maharashtra and the GST will be charged as CGST and SGST. Example of place of supply in case of agent, where the agent receives service charge or markup. If the location of agent is Maharashtra and address for billing is also Maharashtra, location of hotel is in Gujarat, then the place of supply will be Maharashtra and the GST will be charged as CGST and SGST. If the location of agent is Maharashtra and address of billing is Delhi, location of hotel is Gujarat, then the place of supply will be Delhi and the GST will be charged as IGST. If the location of the travel agent is Maharashtra, address for billing is USA, location of the hotel is Gujarat, then the place of supply will be Gujarat where the service is actually provided and the GST will be charged as IGST. If the location of agent is Maharashtra, address for billing is Delhi, location of the hotel is USA, then the place of supply will be Delhi and the GST will be charged as IGST. Commission and TDS. If an hotel is provided to a sub-agent, then a travel agent gets commission, which is also recorded in the fare details, and it gets deducted from the net billing amount. Also, the TDS is being charged on the commission, which gets included in the net billing amount. So basically, commission gets subtracted from the net billing amount and TDS is added to the net billing amount. As we discussed in our previous video, a travel agent should be able to enter the purchase detail on the same window where the sales detail have been entered.
In this window, you can see that commission is being deducted from the total amount and TDS have been added to the total amount.
Cancellation of hotel billing. Just like domestic and international billing, a software should have a functionality for the cancellation of hotel billing and it should auto-capture the details of the billing. A travel agent need not to enter all the details of billing and he just have to enter the cancellation charges amount. Impact in the sales, purchase and respective return registers. All the impact related to hotel billing should automatically get reflected in the respective sales and purchase register, and if there is any cancellation of invoices, then the impact should automatically get reflected in the sales and purchase return registers.
All the impact related to sales and purchase have been reflected in the respective registers, and all the impact related to cancellation have been reflected in the sales and purchase return register.
Impact in the GST report. The impact of GST of hotel billing should get reflected in the respective GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B report.
The GST related to hotel billing has been reflected in the GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B report.
And by this, we will be able to record all the details related to hotel booking and hotel billing in our accounting software. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. Please like the video and comment down your suggestions, or if there is any query. Please share this video with your fellow travel agents, and if you want to purchase an accounting software, then you can click on the link given in the description, or you can contact us on our email or through mobile number. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.